Okay, sir, I will conducting your final interview. Are you ready, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Respect means treating other with consideration, like sir and ma'am.
Number two. Ay, what do you want?
Amen.
I want to join the army because I want to help. I want to help guard base and doing my job,
Number three, how should we address the higher ranks and civilians?
like a sir and ma'am.
Number four, how many hours can you be active on duty?
Maybe like 4 to 6 hours.
Number five, can you leave the military base whenever you want?
No, ma'am.
Number six, are you allowed to shoot, tase, or kill a fellow soldier for fun?
No, ma'am.
What?
No, ma'am.
Number seven, if a civilian enter the base, what should you do?
I give him a warning, like a three warning. If they not listening, I will kill him.
No. Number eight, what does AFK stand for? Can you please explain?
Away from keyboard, like away from phone, like that.
Are you allowed to take a military vehicle for personal use, sir?
No, ma'am.
Number 10, by joining the army, you must follow all orders from your higher ups. Do you agree to this term, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Um, thank, thank you. Congrats, sir. You passed the final interview.
Think positive.